If you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe button below. Also press bell icon to get notified for every video I upload for you. Thank you. Okay, so today we are going to learn that how we can make the thumbnail for our YouTube video without using the Adobe Photoshop. We'll use the simple process so that everyone can easily make their thumbnails more attractive. As you know, the thumbnails are the main things for the viewers. If your thumbnails will be attractive, definitely audience will once open your video. So let's start it. We will use the application which names as Pixillab. Okay, we'll open the Pixillab. We'll go on in the option button top right side corner, and we'll use the image for our thumbnail from our gallery. Okay, here's the process. Use image from gallery. We'll click on it. It will take us to our gallery. Okay, then we'll go whatever the image we want, we'll select from here. Okay, I have the video regarding this, so I'll select this image. Then I'll select the size which I want to keep. See, I'll keep 16 by 9. Okay, so I've selected the location. I'll click right button. Okay, now the image has been selected. Now we have to write something on it. So here it's written new text which I am moving. I'll double click on it. We'll erase this and I'll write I'll write Museum of the Future. Okay, I'll click. Okay, now I'll click on the A button downside. Okay, I click on it. See, you will get different options in this: the color, size, changing its location, its opacity. You can change the font style. Okay, I'm checking in it with font. Okay, I'm selecting the font, this one. I'll go ahead for stroke. I'll go for shadow. I'll give it a purple shadow. Okay, now I'm going to set the size. Okay, see, it's okay. So I'll click on the image again. I'll click on the text. I'll write another text. As you know, this is the most beautiful building in the world, so I'll write most beautiful building. Most beautiful building. Okay, I'll again go for the font. I'll click on the font which I want to keep. I'll stroke it. I'll give the shadow. I'll give the another color this time. Okay, I'm going to give it green color. Okay, see, its size is almost okay, but let me check. Okay, I can do it a little bit bigger. Okay, so if you want to write anything else or you want to import any other image on it, you can do it. Okay, one more thing I should write. I'm writing UAE. So as it is located in UAE, so I've written UAE. I'm going to select the font. Okay, again I will stroke it as it looks good and attractive. Okay, in size I will do it a little bit larger. I'll place it here. Okay, see, Now similarly, after writing, you can also import any other image on this image. In the right, in the down, you can see after A there's another setting button. You will click on it, you will go in import, then from gallery you can take any picture. Here I will take the logo of my channel, select its size, see, now adjust it, see, I'll place it here. See, so this thumbnail for my YouTube video has been made, as I have made the video regarding the Museum of the Future, which is the most beautiful building in the world. So after creating your thumbnail, you can save it from the top. You can see the save button on the top, click on it. You can save it as a project or you can save it directly as an image. I am going to save it as an image. Okay, save it to gallery. Okay, it's saved. Now I'll go to the gallery. Okay, there's a folder of Pixillab. You will open it. You can see our thumbnail is saved here, which we have made it now. Similarly, you can make other thumbnails like this, which I have made. See, I've also made this one. These all are the thumbnails which I've made using the Pixillab. Hopefully you have got it. You have learned how to make thumbnails using Pixillab. Definitely when you don't know how to use Adobe Photoshop, so you need some simple process. So this is the main process, very simple, very easy, everyone can use it. Use it, make your thumbnails, make your videos look attractive and gain your viewers. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you are requested to subscribe it now. Also give us your feedback by giving likes and comments on our video. Thank you.